My name is P. Chandra Prakash Rao, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Lakshatpet. Today's topic, halogen compounds. So, halogen compounds means halogens means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the halogens. These react with hydrocarbons. It forms halogen compounds. So, halogen compounds are derived from hydrocarbons, that is alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by the halogen atoms are known as halogen compounds. For example, methyl chloride halogen compound. One of the hydrogen replaced by the methane, it forms halo compounds. So, halo compounds aliphatic, aromatic, that is a chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. These are the aromatic halo compounds. Methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, isopropyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride. These are the aliphatic. So, the nomenclature of halo compounds, two types, that is the common name and another one is the IUPAC. So, for example, CH3Br, the common name is methyl bromide. CS3CH2Cl, that is ethyl chloride. Isopropyl bromide. These are the common names. So, in this common name, the alkyl group first, then after halo name. Methyl bromide, the alkyl group is methyl and halogen is bromide. Methyl bromide, ethyl chloride, isopropyl bromide. These are the some of the examples of common system. Now, IUPAC system, IUPAC means International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. This is some of the rules applied. First you write, you see the length of the carbon atoms. Here you write first halo group, then after alkyl group. In this common system, you write alkyl group first, then after halo group. But in IUPAC, there is a halo group, there is a substituent, halo group is a substituent. Then after you write carbon chain. CH3CH2Br, the IUPAC of this compound, 1-bromoethane. Here two carbons is there. One of the carbon bonded with bromine, that is 1-bromoethane. CH3CH2CH2I. There is a 1-iodopropane. There are three carbons. One of the carbon bonded with iodine. So, this is a 1-iodopropane. Here, another example, 2-chloropropane. The chlorine substituent bonded with the second carbon. That is the 2-chloropropane. 3-chloropropane, like that. 3-chlorobutane, pentane, 2-chloropentane. These are the one of the examples. So according to IUPAC, haloarines, that is the orthobromotoluene, metabromotoluene, metachlorotoluene, dichlorobenzene, like that. Here there is a bromine bonded with a second carbon, there is 2-bromotoluene, 3-chlorotoluene, 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is the system of IUPAC. So here there is one of the tabular form, common name and IUPAC. Some of the examples here: CH3Cl, common name is methyl chloride, IUPAC is chloromethane. CS3CH2Br, that is ethyl bromide, bromoethane. CH3CH2CH2Br, that is common name is N-propyl bromide, IUPAC is 1-bromopropane. Here one of the most important structural formula, that is CS3CH2Br. The second carbon bonded with methyl group, that is isobutyl bromide. But means here 4 carbons. So, and one of the substituent is bromine. Here one of the carbon is branching. According to IUPAC, first you write halo group, then after alkyl group, 1-bromo, 2-methyl propane. Here one of the example, CH3CHBr CS3, that is isopropyl bromide. That is, this isopropyl bromide is a common name. 2-bromopropane is IUPAC. Now CS3CH2CHBr CS3. So here the bromine bonded with the second group, second carbon, that is secondary butyl bromide, common name. Secondary butyl bromide is the common name. IUPAC is the 2-bromobutane. 2-bromobutane. What is the classification of alkyl halides? The alkyl halides further divided to 3 types: primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. The halogen bonded with the first carbon, that is the primary. So see the example of primary alkyl halide, CS3CH2Br, there is the bromoethane, 1-bromopropane. These are the primary. Now secondary alkyl halides, the halo group bonded with the secondary carbon atom of alkyl group. For example, CH3CHClCH3, that is the 2-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane, that is the secondary halides. Tertiary, the halogen atom bonded with the tertiary carbon atom of alkyl group. This is the best example of tertiary butyl chloride, that is the 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. So these are the classification of alkyl halides, that is the primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. Next one, aromatic halogen compounds. The aromatic halogen compounds are two types, aryl halides or alkyl halides. Aryl halides, the halogen atom directly bonded with the aromatic ring, that is the chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. These are the aryl halides. So here there is a halogen group directly bonded with the aromatic ring. Next, another one is the alkyl halides. In these compounds, the halogen atom bonded with the side chain of the aromatic carbon. So here phenyl methyl chloride, that is benzoyl chloride. Phenyl methyl chloride means C6H5, that is a phenyl group, CH2Cl. The phenyl methyl chloride, that is a benzoyl chloride. Another one is the allyl halides. Allyl carbon means the carbon bonded with the double bonded carbon. Here the halo group bonded with sp3 carbon, sp3 carbon bonded with sp2 carbon, that is the allyl. Best example, CS3 double bond CH, single bond CH2Cl. So here CH2 group is the sp3 carbon, CH group is the sp2 carbon. So the halogen bonded with sp3 carbon, the sp3 carbon bonded with sp2 carbon. So this carbon, sp3 carbon, is known as allyl carbon. So the halo group bonded with sp3 carbon, these compounds are known as hallyl halides. Another one is the vinyl halides. The halo group directly bonded with the double bonded carbon. This is a vinyl halides. So allyl halides, vinyl halides. The halo group bonded with sp3 carbon, allyl. The halo group bonded with sp2 carbon, that is the vinyl carbon. Another one is the benzoyl halides. These are the halogen compounds in which halogen attached to benzoyl carbon. Benzoyl means C6H5CH2. The CH2 carbon is known as benzoyl carbon, that is called benzoyl chloride. Now the chemical reactivity of alkyl halides. The reactivity of alkyl halides due to the presence of carbon X bond, which is polarizable. The reactivity of halogen and carbon, the carbon and halogen bond is more polarized because of the electron negativity difference is more carbon and halogen. So carbon gets partially positive charge, halogen gets partially negative charge. The bond breaking between carbon and halogen, carbon forms carbocation. So the chemical reactivity, the chemically very reactive. The alkyl halide shows a nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution means a group is replaced by the another group, that is called substitution. Nucleophilic substitution means a negative charged species replaces the hydrogen or other groups. So this substitution is known as nucleophilic substitution. So nucleophiles means more electron rich groups or negative charged species is known as electron nucleophiles. For example, OH minus, this is a nucleophile. Cn minus, this is a nucleophile. Cl minus, these are the charged nucleophiles. So ammonia is a neutral nucleophile. Water is a neutral nucleophile, but they are having a lone pair of electrons. So due to the lone pair of electrons, they act as a nucleophiles. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are further divided to two types: SN1, SN2. SN1 reactions takes place tertiary alkyl halides. So tertiary alkyl halide means the halogenated bonded carbon having three alkyl groups. Tertiary alkyl halide shows sp3 hybridized carbon. The sp3 hybridized carbon in slow step, it converted to tertiary carbocation. In this reaction, sp3 carbon converted to sp2 carbon. In the second step, the carbocation react with the nucleophile to form final product. In the final product, there is a racemic mixtures are formed. This is the racemic mixtures, that is a 1:1 ratio. For example, tertiary butyl bromide react with a nucleophile, that is OH minus. In this slow step, it forms a tertiary carbocation. The tertiary carbocation react with the OH minus, that is nucleophile. The OH minus bonded with the front side and rear side to form racemic mixtures. SN1 reactions follows or proceeds in presence of polar solvents. Polar solvents means water, ammonia, chloroform, ethyl alcohol. These are the polar solvents. Here the final product of the SN1 is racemic mixtures. SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism proceeds primary alkyl halides. Rate of the reaction directly proportional to alkyl halide and nucleophiles. In the SN2 mechanism, the best example is hydrolysis of methyl bromide. Methyl bromide plus KOH, the resultant product is methyl alcohol. The byproduct is potassium bromide. In this SN2 mechanism, there is a single step mechanism. In this, a transition state is formed. The nucleophile, in slow step, the alkyl halide reacted with the nucleophile to form a transition state. In this step, the sp3 carbon of alkyl halide is converted to sp3d hybridized carbon. In the transition state, the carbon and bromide bond breaking takes place. The partially bond breaking and carbon and nucleophile, that is OH, partially bond forming. In the first step, elimination of bromide ion to form a final product, that is a methyl alcohol. In this reaction, Walden inversion takes place. The SN2 reaction proceeds. Non-polar solvents. Non-polar solvents means ether, carbon tetrachloride, cyclohexane. These are the non-polar solvents. What is the difference between SN1 and SN2? SN1 takes place tertiary alkyl halides, SN2 primary alkyl halides. In the SN1, racemic mixtures are formed. SN2, Walden inversion takes place. SN1 proceeds in the presence of polar solvents. SN2, non-polar solvents. In the case of SN1, the rate of the reaction directly proportional to alkyl halide. In case of SN2, the rate of the reaction directly proportional to alkyl halide and nucleophile concentration. Benzyl chloride, primary alkyl halide. But in this benzyl chloride, SN2 nucleophilic substitution reactions takes place. But instead of SN2, there is a SN1 reactions takes place. Because of the bulkiness increases, SN2 is converted to SN1. The comparison of alkyl halides and vinyl halides. In vinyl halides means the chlorine bonded carbon, sp2 carbon. So in vinyl halides there is a resonance. Due to the resonance, the carbon chlorine bond is partially double bond character. Due to the partially double bond character, the bond breaking of carbon and chlorine is somewhat difficult. So the nucleophilic substitution reactions are less comparatively alkyl halides. Because of in alkyl halides, the carbon and halogen bond is single bond. Easily bond breaking takes place. So the nucleophilic substitutions are more reactive alkyl halides comparatively vinyl halides. Another comparison, the reactivity of allyl halides and vinyl halides. Allyl halides means the chlorine bonded with sp3 carbon. These carbon bonded with sp2 carbon. Halogenated carbon, halogenated carbon bond is sigma bond. So easily bond breaking takes place. So nucleophilic reactions are more fast in this allyl group comparatively vinyl because of the halogen bonded with sp2 carbon. There is a carbon and chlorine, a partially double bond character. Due to this reason, vinyl chloride less reactive, allyl chloride more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Another comparison, benzyl chloride and alkyl halides. So benzyl chloride is more reactive comparatively alkyl halides because of benzyl chloride the carbon chlorine bond is single bond, the chlorine bonded with sp3 carbon. After bond breaking, the carbon gets positive charge, that is the benzyl carbonium ion. The benzyl carbonium ion is stabilized due to the resonance. Due to resonance, the nucleophilic substitution reactions are more fast in benzyl chloride comparatively alkyl halides. Another comparison of aryl halides and alkyl halides. Aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Alkyl halides are more reactive nucleophilic substitution reactions. Because of, in case of aryl halides, the carbon and chlorine bond is partially double bond character. Due to the partially double bond nature of the double bond character, the bond breaking is somewhat difficult. So in case of aryl halides, the nucleophilic substitutions are less comparatively alkyl halides. Thank you.